In this video, we're going to use the laws of logarithm. I have picked a few questions to discuss in this video, but before that, let's focus on the blue box here. The first one is the law of logarithm number 1, which involves addition. If two logs been adding, and it must use or must have the same base, which is a here, and the m and n, the value there will be multiplied. So it kind of like from two logs and it simplified to a log, right? So a second formula, if it's subtract, so it's gonna be somehow combine and become divide. For the third laws, we had used this before. Okay, so we're gonna apply throughout the questions that we're gonna solve here. Okay, question B. Okay, so first we're gonna move to back. Okay, so that will be log 3 square plus log 2 to the power of 3. So we actually apply the third rules here. This is first, second, and third laws. But we apply the third laws here. And then we have adding, and then we're going to apply the first law. That will make just one log, and that will be 3 square multiplied by 2 power 3. Okay, so that will be log 9 times 8. That will be log 72. Okay, right, for C, be 3 back. Okay, log 4 to the power of 3 minus log 8. So now it is a minus operation. We're going to have log 4 power 3 divided by 8. Look carefully, only the value being divided. It is not log divided by log. Right, what is 4 power 3? That will be 64 divided by 8. That will be log 8. Okay? Right, how about E? Okay, that's going to be log base 6, 4 power half, and plus log base 6, 3. Okay, 4 power half is actually square root of 4. That will make 2. So log 6, 2 plus log base 6, 3. That will be log base 6. 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so I can see good news here. So why I say that? Because it is log base 6 and 6. This will mix to 1. Okay. Alright. I think maybe you can pause the video and try to do F, H, and I on your own before we continue. Is that okay? Okay, I had tried F, H, and I on the 3 questions. Have you get the opportunity to try it too? For F, I put 1 over 3 back here, and then that will be the power for it, and then 1 over 8 cube root. 1 over 3 is cube root, and then therefore cube root of 1 over 8, it means that cube root of 1 and divide by cube root of 8, that makes log 1 over 2. Okay, and then we have question H, we have 1 here. We try to make it all logs so that we can use law of logarithms. Alright, so they're not writing any base here, so it's understandable it is base 10. So how to produce 1? So that should be base 10, 10. And then all of this, 3 we're going to bring back, and then 20 is fine. So that will be minus will be divide, and plus will be time. So that will be 10 times 200 divided by 8. You get 25. Okay, so you can't get value at the end because this is not an equation. This is just simplifying it. So same thing here for last one. Last one a bit special here because the base is n. We're going to convert 2 to base n. So that will be log n square base n. Yeah, and then here I brought the half at the back. That will be square root of 4. That makes 2, and then 5 is fine. If it's subtract, it means divide. And because we have another subtract, subtraction here, I just put divide like this. Yeah, and then I simplify it. Divide by 5, it means multiply by 1 over 5. Yeah, and that will be n squared over 10. Did you get same answer like me? Okay, hope the video helps you.